To make the waffle stitch, you start by making a slip knot and you make chains in multiples of 3. I'll be making 21 chains. Now I have my 21 chains. I'll skip the first 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3, and into this 4th chain I'll make a double crochet, yarn over, go into the chain space, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and I'll make a double crochet into each of the chains that I have made. I've completed the row of double crochet. To begin the next row, I'll chain 3. Bear in mind that this chain 3 counts as a double crochet, and then I'll flip my work, so I would not be making a stitch into this part where the 3 chains was made from. So into the next stitch I'll make a front post, and to make a front post you want to go underneath the stitch, bringing out your hook from the other side, and you pull your yarn through, and then you finish it up with a double crochet. Then into the next stitch you make a double crochet, and into the one that follows you make a double crochet. Into the next one we'll be making a front post double crochet. You go under the stitch, you bring out your hook from the other side, you pull your yarn through, and you finish it up with a double crochet. You make 1 double crochet into the next 2 stitches, and you follow it up with a front post. You go under the stitch, you pull your yarn through, and you finish it up with a double crochet, and you continue to repeat this until you've covered all the stitches that you made. I've completed the row, and this is what it looks like. This is the front post and the 2 double crochet that was made. To begin the next row, you chain 3. Remember that this chain 3 counts as a stitch, and you flip your work. Now the next stitch is where we made a front post in the previous row, so you go into that stitch and make a double crochet. Into the next 2 stitches where we made double crochets, we'll make a front post double crochet into those stitches. Go under the stitch, you pull your yarn through, and you finish up with your double crochet. Into the next one as well, you do the same thing, and into the stitch that follows we'll make a double crochet. Into the next 2 stitches you make front post double crochet, and you repeat this till you get to the end of the row. I'm at the end of the row. I've made the double crochet, and what I have left is the chain 3 that we made at the beginning of row 2. So I'll go into the top of that chain space and make a double crochet to close up row 3, and this is what it looks like. So we'll chain 3 again to begin the next row and flip our work, and into the next stitch is the stitch where we made a double crochet, and because we also want the stitch to be popped up like the others, we'll be making a front post into that stitch. Into the next 2 stitches where we made a front post in the previous row, we'll make double crochets into those stitches. So the sequence for this row is a front post, then 2 double crochet, a front post, then 2 double crochet. And you repeat this till the end of the row. Now this is what row 4 looks like. So to begin the next row, which is row 5, you chain 3 as well, and into the next stitch you make a double crochet. Into the next 2 stitches you make front post double crochet. So the sequence for this row is 1 double crochet followed by 2 front post double crochet, and this is all you have to repeat till the end of the row. So basically the waffle stitch is a repeat of row 2 and 3 for as many times that you have to cover for the desired length of the project that you are working on. I hope you find this video helpful. Please like, share and leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and I'll see you again in my next video.